Triton routers offer the power, precision, and performance you demand for all your routing needs. Engineered from a blank page, Triton routers represent the leading edge of routing technology. Available in 2¼ horsepower and 3¼ horsepower models, they come packed with revolutionary patented features that you'll use every day, whether you're routing handheld or using your router in a router table. Mounting your router in a router table turns it into a powerful woodworking tool, and we've engineered Triton routers to outperform every other router on the market for router table use. To do that, we packed Triton routers with must-have features. First, every Triton router is equipped with a router lift. Our lift isn't an add-on, an afterthought, or an extra expense. It's built right into the router, and you'll operate it from above the table. That means you can easily set your bit height and even change bits without having to reach underneath or lift the router out of the table. Two great Triton features make this possible. First is the removable plunge spring. With most routers, removing the spring for router table use is a tedious task, but our plunge spring comes out easily, so you can move the router up and down the plunge post without fighting against resistance from the spring. Second, your Triton router comes with a table winder crank that gives you precise control over setting bit depth during table routing. Just insert the crank through a hole in your router table's plate and give it a turn with just one hand. Your bit moves up or down easily, and you'll have your other hand free to hold your ruler or workpiece as you set the bit height exactly where you want it for an accurate cut. When you need to switch bits, with Triton routers, one wrench is all you need. Just plunge the router to the lock position and you'll have full access to the collet, whether you're using the router in a table or freehand. Now you can use a single wrench to loosen the collet and then remove or install your bit. We even designed in a safety system that locks the illuminated power switch in the off position during bit changes for increased peace of mind. Triton routers take dust collection to new levels with exclusive technology that dramatically reduces the mess made by most other routers. We've designed the motor's cooling fan to blow air toward the bit. Combined with the clear bit guards, this creates positive airflow around the bit that clears dust from the cut line when combined with a dust extraction hose on the router base or router table fence. Large plunge rods and precise machining also ensure that Triton routers plunge smoothly while keeping the bit positioned accurately. When you want to use the router for freehand routing, you'll appreciate the rack and pinion plunge mechanism. It allows you to make bit height adjustments by simply turning the large, easy-to-grip handle. The micro winder knob lets you dial in the precise height you need, while a plunge lock holds your setting through cut after cut. Or you can switch to free plunge mode with the push of a button and simply push down on the handles to plunge the bit into your workpiece. Whichever mode you use, you'll appreciate the adjustable turret stops. Unlike most turret stops, ours let you set cutting depth based directly off your bit, and then dial that setting in exactly where you want it. Once the stops are set, the turrets stop your plunge motion exactly where you want it every time. Whether you're routing freehand or in a table, Triton routers give you the power you need for any routing task. Choose from a big 3¼ horsepower model that will easily spin even the largest bits in a router table, or a more compact but powerful 2¼ horsepower version. Both models offer adjustable speed, soft start, and electronic speed control to maintain the bit speed you set every time. Every Triton router also comes with a multifunction base extender and fence. The base installs quickly without tools. You can use the base to cut precise circles or to extend the size of the base for more stability when edge routing. The fence gives you increased control for straight-line routing tasks, such as dados. If you want a rugged, feature-packed router that's designed to work as well handheld as it does in a router table, look no further than Triton. Innovative design and leading-edge technology make Triton routers must-have tools you need when you demand power, precision, and performance. Go to TritonTools.com to learn more, or visit your local Triton dealer today.